figuring it out. What is it? What is it, honey? It's got buttons on it. There's Echo. Where's Nunu? Yes, that's Nunu. Can you turn it on? Let's see if we can make it make noise. I think the battery might be bad, honey. Imagine that. We wore out some batteries. That's the first time. Hey, Connor. Do you want to go get a book? Do you want to get a book? Yeah, let's go get a book. And where's Buzz? I thought I saw Buzz in there somewhere. Echo, watch out, sweetie. Can you get Buzz? There's Buzz. I see him right there. Yeah. Can you give Buzz a kiss? Let's give Buzz a kiss. Oh, good job with the kiss. That's our new noise, isn't it? Can we do a fist bump, Connor? Connor, can we do a fist bump? Hey, give me a high five. Good job. Now let's do a fist bump. This is the fun one, Connor, remember? I know, you're busy. Connor, where's Nunu? Where's Nunu?
Nana.
This is a slightly destroyed playroom. Or completely destroyed. We're perfectly in order according to Connor, probably. But that doesn't fit in your mailbox, honey. Oh, Echo just went through the house. It doesn't fit in the mailbox. Hey, look. Look, this goes in the mailbox, though. This does. Look, it's a piece of mail. Yeah, can you put it in there? And then we shut it and go.